Hi guys! So today we'll be unboxing the FabFitFun winter box. Here is what the box arrived looking like. Here we go. We have the FabFitFun magazine / guide. Okay, so things that I do refills of each season is the Nelson Beverly Hills shampoo and conditioner. This is one of my favorites, and the Chorus body cleanser. I love their product. The body washes always smell very nice, and they bubble quickly, which I like. They have a lot of soap in them, so I actually feel like I'm getting clean. A wrap towel for hair so that it gets dry quickly after you wash your hair. Invisible, that's also one of the things that I like getting from them, just stocking up. This one is rose gold color, and it's a slightly thinner version of Invisible, so I wanted to try it out. Let me see if I can open it. There we go. So see, this one is a little bit of a thinner version of an Invisible, and I think I will like wearing this a lot. All right, let's get started. So first I have an armband, my tag-alongs. So it says, fits most sizes of smartphones and is designed with an inner pocket to hold your essentials, key, money, lip balm, adjustable and comfortable. This is what it looks like. This one I'm actually going to be using and not regifting. So this is what it looks like. It has a zipper compartment that should fit your phone, and has a little pouch, Velcro pouch in the front that fits other things, and or vice versa. I guess you could put your phone here, and then things that you're afraid of falling out would make sense to be inside the zipper pouch. And then you have this strap, adjustable strap, to put it around your arm. So this will be good for hiking, biking, running, traveling. So I'm excited to try this out. All right, so next we have, this looks so pretty. All right, this is a hat. I'm generally not a hat person, hard to pull off a hat, but I am trying to be one because winters in New York are cold and I want to be prepared. So I really like the color of this. It looks super cozy. It looks like one of those teddy bear toys for kids that are really good quality and very soft. So here's what it looks like. It has a little pom-pom that I really like. It just feels so soft and cozy. Oh, it's gonna be a staple for the winter for sure. I love it. I love it. I'm wearing it. Okay, great. And the brand is called Lemon here. If you want to order one, I highly recommend. This is the softest, coziest, cutest little thing. Okay, I am already happy. Whatever else comes with this box, this is it for me. I'm set. I'm all set. All right. Next we have Soulmates Heel Protector. Again, this might have been something I ordered on my own. I cannot keep track anymore. So I think this is something I ordered on my own. And basically what it is it's a heel protector. I have boots. I have these vintage Fenty boots that have a very, very thin stiletto heel, and I've been kind of hesitant wearing it in New York, on New York pavement, because I don't want it to get destroyed. So I think I grabbed a couple of these to try it on them. I will let you know how it goes and if it looks kind of too dorky and obvious that I have a plastic thing wrapped around them. We'll find out. Next thing I have is a Superfood facial wash by Elemis, I think is how you pronounce it. And let's see what the packaging looks like. Ooh, I love the color. It looks very organic and natural. It looks like a smoothie. So this is basically a facial wash, gel cleanser. Helps leave the skin feeling balanced and replenished. What I love with facial cleansers is when I find the ones that don't say removes makeup, because I have specific makeup remover cleansing gels for that, and I want as a second step a cleansing gel, a facial wash that just focuses on completely washing the makeup stuff, the makeup gel, and cleanses the skin and provides nutrients and nourishes and moisturizes without the makeup situation. So this is one of those rare finds, so definitely going to be using it as a step 2 in my routine. Next we have a 2-pound Pilates Bowl. So this is what the packaging is like, and it says it tones muscles, improves balance, and it's compact and portable. It says the mini weighted bowl targets specific muscle groups, and it's easy to travel with. I am curious what this mini thing looks like. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest little thing. Look, and it says 2 pounds. I'll have to see what kind of exercises I do with it, and this might be a little too light for my liking, but we shall see, I will report back on whether I use this thing or not. It might be a good gift option for somebody who likes light to go, easy to travel with exercise equipment. All right, next we have, what is this? Fabric shaver. Ooh, I am very excited about this. I have a lot of sweaters that I just got out from storage for winter season. So this would give them a very good facelift. It's by brand Mascara. Let's see. This is a USB charger it comes with. This is the actual product. I really like it. Look, it has a little handle. We'll definitely use that throughout the winter season. Next we have Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. I've heard a lot about it. I always like to have a stash of mascaras just in case I run out of them quickly, and I'm very excited to try them. Next we have this beautiful case. What for? I forgot, so let's open this up. It's by my Tagalongs. It's called Vitamin Case. Oh, I remember. Okay, first of all, the packaging is beautiful. It's super, super soft to the touch. It's this beautiful dusty pink color, and it unzips to a vitamin pill box. So we have a week here, and it has this elastic band that keeps it in, but you could also take it out. And yeah, and it looks less ugly inside this beautiful case. So this is actually great if you're big on vitamins, or if you have a lot of, if you're recovering from something and if you have to have a lot of pills organized, especially for travel. This is great. It's by my Tagalongs. All right, next we have No Pressure Lip Liner by Dips. So this is the brand. And it's this cute little mini lip liner, and it doesn't need a pencil sharpener, so I love the packaging. It's black and white. The color is neutral, dark on the darker side, so it goes with everything. Yeah, this is perfect for travel. This is perfect for travel. This is definitely gonna be my travel lip liner. And next is Quick and Slick. I love the marketing and the names of all of these things. It says, fancy a quickie. To be clear, this type of quickie finishes your look and instantly slicks and smooths stubborn flyaways and frizz with one quick swipe. Okay, I know what this is. So this is Quick and Slick, and this is for frizzy hair, which I definitely have. That's the main thing about getting ready and looking presentable, is my hair requires so much product just to not look like I've been caught in a windstorm. Packaging looks very nice. So it's like a mascara, and I'm assuming all you do is I think it's working, but I'm really excited for this because this is a portable, quick and easy way to keep your hair put. So very practical box this year. I mean, I did order a lot of the things myself, and I picked a lot of the things myself because I'm an annual member, so I get to choose, I think, 4 to 5 products based on out of what they have. I get to make a selection, so I usually go for things I would actually need. All right, and the final thing is women's handwear. Muk Locks, wear your way of life. So this is the brand Muk Locks. Locks. And ooh, this is so cozy. Okay. This will go amazing with the hat because it's the same sort of fluffy, warm, cozy material, like a teddy bear kind of material, and inside is really, really soft, warm, white material, and we have mittens. All right, this is just perfect. All right, I'm happy and set for winter. This is gonna be my everyday wear until I'd say end of March possibly. So all right, so that's all that I got from FabFitFun for winter of 2022/2023. And yeah, thanks for being here, and until next time, happy holidays. Bye.